Imagine buying a coin for just a few dollars today and watching it 10x, even 50x by 2025. Which coin could make you rich next? Stay tuned, because number one is a total game changer. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love smart crypto investments and want financial freedom, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. Let's count down from number 5 to number 1, starting now. Number 5, Avalanche. AVAX, the underdog with potential. Fast, secure, and scalable, Avalanche is catching big attention. Institutions are testing it for real-world assets. If adoption grows, AVAX could easily surprise everyone by 20. Number 4, Chainlink, the data powerhouse. Chainlink connects blockchain to real-world data, essential for DeFi, AI, and smart contracts. With partners like Google Cloud and Swift, its utility is massive. When the next bull run hits, Link could skyrocket. Number 3, Solana, the speed beast. Solana is insanely fast, thousands of transactions per second at almost zero cost. It dominates NFTs, gaming, and real-world apps. Keep an eye on us all. Number 2 is Ethereum, ETH, the smart contract giant. If Bitcoin is digital gold, Ethereum is digital ore, powering most DeFi and NFT projects. With ETH 2.0 upgrades, it's faster, smarter, and ready for massive growth. Every serious portfolio needs Ethereum. And now, the number 1 Bitcoin. BTC, the king still rules. Bitcoin remains the heart of crypto. With ETFs, global adoption, and limited supply, BTC could hit new all-time highs by 2028. It's not just a coin, it's a movement. Don't miss the king. Bonus pick, Polygon. Polygon is making Ethereum faster, cheaper, and more accessible. Brands like Nike, Reddit, and Starbucks are already on it. Matic could quietly become a monster in 25. Keep an eye on it. So that's the countdown. From underdogs to kings. Which coin do you think will surprise everyone? Comment below.